Son of a gun. I'm gonna have to take back some things I've said about you, Tyson. Oh man. It's morning, another day of building the Onx build. So today's pretty special because I got help in the shop. Look at that, it's Tyson from Chad's Fab. So I've got the whole Chad's Fab crew down here today. I got Tyson, Dusty, Chad. We're gonna get some stuff done on this thing. So today's goals: front clip, tailgate, rock sliders. Make it look like something that we could actually drive down the road. So we pressed our luck when we passed the highway patrol with no front clip on it. Gosh. We are gonna get a ticket right now today. I don't even dare look back. We want it to look more presentable, so we're gonna go for it. Just doing a little hacking on the front end. We gotta make it so radiator fits. Just trimming this whole thing off. We'll cap it. It'll be lovely when we're done. I like his beard cover. I don't have those problems. Mine's short, it doesn't catch on fire. How about you, Jace? You got any of those beard problems? Yeah? I don't know. We don't have those problems here. All right, stuff's happening. Dusty's welding away over here. We're dreaming up rock sliders currently.
So if we go right to there,
you can see the smoke coming out of Chad.
Yeah.
Things are happening. We're gonna have sliders on this today. Chad and I are scheming and planning, trying to get this thing all laid out, trying to figure out where everything goes in the dash. We know we have an air to run the airbags in the back. We have a valve for that. We need air gauge in there. We got a lot of stuff we got to get crammed in this thing, and we want it to be like methodically planned out rather than just thrown at it and hope for the best. So Chad's making notes, writing on the dash where things are going to go. So we're getting there. We have a sound bar that's gonna go in the back here because you gotta have music when you're cruising down the road for, what are we thinking, like 2,500 miles round trip?
Well, actually, from here, from my house, I'll probably do 2,000. This will probably do about 900 miles, I think.
Yeah, so we've got some miles that we're gonna just stare at each other if we don't have some music, so.
Yeah. Yeah, about 20 minutes into it, we'll get sick of hearing each other's themes. So.
That's right, so we gotta have music. So what we have, let's shut this door, my kids cleaning cars out there. We have some stuff from Recoil. You guys have never heard of Recoil? You should go check them out. They're making some pretty cool waterproof products that last. So we got a sound bar, some 8-inch subs. Gonna sound pretty good. It has come. We're gonna get some 2x4 rectangle tube. Go to cut, and we need 2 of them 63 inches long.
So, what's this thing here?
We'll get them. Check that out. Front clip is going back on for one of the last times. It's gonna be a few trips, but she's looking pretty sexy with all the panels where they need to be. All right, we're just making the final cut on our last rock slider, and then we can start putting them in the truck. So we are making progress. Dusty, he's getting the back end all cut out so he can get the tailgate in it.
Okay, probably 2 more inches. It's actually probably about it. Okay.
That's gonna help a whole bunch.
Yeah.
I like it.
Actually, I got a mark on the other side, so it's about 7 inches. That's where I figured. Well, actually, about right there.
Yeah, if we went to that, you come from that gap to there with it. A little bit.
1.5 inches. Hopefully it's 1.5 inches, and we just split it 2 by 3.
Yeah, 1.5 inches will be perfect.
Perfect.
Those are gonna look good and do their job.
Yeah, we'll just tie everything together.
Yep. I like it. It's coming together, slowly but surely. Can you get a light? I can get a light.
Spray foam. Kind of hard to see with the hood down.
You like it? Spray foam? We killed it.
Wait till you drive it down the road.
Good.
This thing's
On one side. Now I'm trying to get it over to the other side.
Great.
Okay, I think she's good.
Okay, good job.
never doubted you, lad. Knew you were gonna kill it. Look at that. These guys, front end, whipped into shape. She's looking good, lad. Did you bolt the hood down and everything?
Let's bolt it down.
Son of a gun. I'm gonna have to take back some things I've said about you, Tyson.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
You almost
Just kidding, I'm not. I'm keeping with what I thought the first time.
Yeah.
So we're to sliders in the back, and then this thing's looking good, I think. Checking in, it's been a minute. We're going for it. We've got slider stuff all built. I gotta weld this, plate the ends of it, both sides. This guy, he's been killing it over here. Look at this. So this is gonna fold in. His little triangle, you guys should drop in the comments if you think that is the precise angle to make this touch there. Did you do it?
No, Chad.
Chad marked that.
Just cut it.
So, you guys tell me if Tyson is on his game today. Me looking at it, I think the triangle needs to be just a smidge bigger to get that much movement in the end. We'll find out. We'll find Chad's Fab or Fab Rats. We're gonna find out which one's right here. I think it needs to be bigger. All right, we're getting closer. These things are welded up. Tyson is he's grinding his little heart out.
I don't have to grind this hard when Dusty welds. What's the difference?
He's not as good as me.
Oh,
That's why.
what are all the splatter things? I've never seen those before.
You've never seen real welds. Who is that guy? Who invited him to this party? So, tailgate stuff's going on back here.
Boy, you don't want Tyson harassing you about your welds anymore?
No, I'm over him.
Okay, I'm over it. You're not friends anymore.
Nope.
Huh? He's dead.
So, if you guys want to fill out a friend application, I just had a vacancy. You can send it in.
I work
He's
for
gone.
Stacy.
Hey, Tyson,
Yeah,
what are you doing down there?
just finishing this up right here.
Are you saying that that cut wasn't quite big enough from the first time?
Nope.
I win. I knew it. All right, we are currently winning pretty good here.
Yeah, we can try.
That is what our rock sliders can look like. They're actually welded on. The hoist is not holding this up, but I need it to be the same height so I can weld the other side in, so we're not gonna let it down yet, but things are happening. We're doing body and fender on the tailgate here.
Yeah, this is how we do it over
We found something that Tyson's good at.
And grinding your welds.
If you can't tell, it's been a pretty fun day so far. It's fine. That's why we spray foamed it.
Yeah, she may need a little
Absorb all the rattles, right?
That's right.
That's it.
That's all we got.
Yep. Pull this out really quick.
We might be able to power that down a little. Since we got to put stuff in here now.
We can
What I missed where it was moving. Oh yeah, that's fine.
angle iron. I'll just box the inside with some angle.
There you go. There you go.
It'll keep it there.
Big chunkers. Oh yeah. We got some Bondo that fell off the inside of the tailgate.
The inside. Oh man. Do both latches work now?
This one works pretty good.
That one works not too bad either.
I just
Okay, so now
Yeah.
the real.
Let's see what she looks like.
Is she gonna shut? Oh yeah. No, so close. We may have to bang all the way across.
I think that's lowered.
Oh yep.
I
You're
think
right.
the top's
This
bent.
needs
We
to
gotta
be
bend the
dropped
top
up.
up.
Yeah, I got to bend the top
So-
up.
Low body and fender, we're gaining though. All right, rock sliders are in. Welded in. They're not finished. They're a long way from finished, but they're gonna be good enough to get us to a car show. Mount Carmel Car Show is tomorrow. We're gonna drive this thing there. It's a giant milestone. These boys have got the tailgate. Look at that. It's friggin' awesome. All right, these boys put in a bunch of hours today. They're going for a rip.
A few minutes later.
Door. Freaking door. We're gonna be fine. I thought he wasn't allowed to drive. What happened? Well, what do you think?
Dude, this thing's legit. Awesome.
It's pretty cool.
Imagine that, like it just drives.
Yeah, it,
I mean,
No, it drives down the
low
road,
to get
like-
them to spin, but they spin.
once the gears go in it, it'll fix that problem.
It drove straight down the road.
That was like
You can carry on conversation
like
in
80
there.
miles an hour, and it's just one hand.
It's pretty cool. All right, that's about all we're gonna get done on this thing tonight. We got a car show to get to, so thanks for watching. First of all, thank you guys all for coming out and supporting us, building this junk possible. Because without you guys buying our stuff, we're not putting it together. So thank you. So here we go. Gracie's gonna draw. That's it right there.
Yeah. Matt Woodruff.
Yeah, baby! Right there. That's your ticket. Thank you. Your car. Congratulations. You guys got it.